How to make Gmail account. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide I'll walk you through the steps on how can you make Gmail account. Do it from a browser as well, or you could simply go ahead and open up your Gmail application and click on the click on the initials in the top right corner of your screen. After which you could simply go ahead and click on add account, and then you want to make sure to select Google, right? So this is going to take you to this section, so make sure to verify it, and then you'll be then taken to this page. So here you simply want to click on create account. Whether it's for your business use or personal, you want to type in that. Go ahead and type in the first name and then the last name and click on next. As you've done it so for the age verification, type in your date of birth as well. And for the gender, you want to select that and click on next button. As you've done it so, you want to simply go ahead and make sure to create your username and click on next, and then go ahead and make sure to follow the on-screen prompt, and that way you'll be able to make a Gmail account. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.